In my video guide, I will tell you about the danger of pop-ups that come from this site, Installs-ai-techie-online.club. The pop-up is a fake notification. It is not related to Google at all. However, the pop-up says that it's some kind of Google reward program claiming that you have made the 9.68 billionth search and that you may draw some prize, for instance, Amazon gift cards, some monetary gift cash, or some other top gadget, for instance, iPhone or Samsung Galaxy phone or MacBook Pro. However, to supposedly participate in this contest, you will be told to share your name, your email address, and other personal data. We strongly advise you not to do that, not to provide any of your personal details through such fake surveys. If you have done that, I recommend you to immediately scan your Mac with the reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. So download this software. You may notice that after installation, the program comes in the trial mode, even though it does have some free features. For example, disk cleaner, big files, duplicates. These are 3 free features and they are absolutely free to use. So when you click on Start Combo Scan, the program will begin free scanning of your Mac. And at the end of scan, the software will give you a detailed report. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results to see what exact threats were found during the scanning. What's really good about Combo Cleaner trial version is that it not only gives you the list of threats, but also shows where exactly they are located. For instance, we have this fake Adobe Flash Player DMG installer. We may click on this button to show in Finder, and you will be able to right-click on this malware and move it to the trash. So this is the manual way to get rid of all the detected threats that were identified during free scanning. So once again, go to this particular item, then click on this icon to see where exactly it is located, and you may remove one thread one at a time. This is the way to fixing your Mac manually. But of course, if you would like to get rid of all these threads automatically, you may obtain the premium version of Combo Cleaner, which will additionally perform all other important system optimization procedures.